G'day everybody. Well, I picked this big bastard up off the side of the road a while ago just for shits and giggles. Figure we may as well have a bit of a play around with it. It's a Panasonic Dimension 4 convection microwave. It's very old. I believe they do still make convection microwaves, but I've only ever seen them like this. I think the only reason they actually threw it out is just because the door lock switch is sort of broken, as in when I found it that was pushed right up inside, and I just had a little play with it, and sorry, I just had a little play with it and I was able to pull it back down, but yeah, other than that it's all still there. It's got electronic timer and everything on it, so it's not that old, unless there may be another clockwork one somewhere else in it. But yeah, it's stainless steel interior. Yeah, I've been storing stuff in it, so excuse all of that. Oh look, that's very responsible, isn't it? Leaving bloody pressure vessels inside microwaves. Lucky I didn't turn that on with this in there. Wouldn't have ended well. But anyway, stainless steel interior. It's very nice inside. And being a convection microwave, there will be a heating element up in the top here as well. I'm guessing those will probably be the lights there on the side. Magnetron there. But I think what we'll do first is get the cover off and just see what the deal is inside. See whether it's a magnetron fuse or something may have blown at the same time, or I don't know. You can never really tell with these things. But anyway, we'll get the cover off and have a look. Okay, well, we've got the cover off this thing, and it's looking alright inside. There's no signs of burning or anything. The fuses are all still good. The only thing I did notice was that the cavity light bulb was blown over here. It's interesting they don't put it on the same side as the with the magnetron and everything else, but that one's dead, as you can clearly see. In fact, might even test run it in there. Luckily I've got another one I kept from another microwave that's got the same size cap, so chuck that on and put the cover back on this thing, give it a test run, since it pretty much looks alright. There's nothing really else that could have really gone wrong with it. Alrighty then, let's see what this thing wants to do. Oh, it's working. Door is shut. Yeah, everything's working except the display. Not very good with these old ones. That's convection, that's for the heating element. Power. Auto start. No, it doesn't want to work. Clock. No. Start reset. Yeah, sort of showing something, doesn't really want to. Doesn't want to work, unfortunately. Okay, so it may be a bit more major than I think with this thing, unfortunately. And now it doesn't want to do anything. It's pushing all the buttons. Okay, I think this thing might actually be dead. Although the good thing is the oven light's now working. And that's broken again. Auto start, no. Grill, no. Convection, no. Because when I'm in convection, there's a heating element going right around the top inside, and a fan. So it's a bit like a fan forced oven sort of thing. More or less cook. No, I think this thing might be. Well, there's a magnetron out of this thing. It's made by Matsushita Electric. Made in Japan, made out of quality stuff. It's a lot better than the most of the other ones that I've got. A lot of the cheaper Chinese ones. There are, yeah, this thing's made properly. It's got some nice big magnets in it as well. When I thought the Mott had 620 amps of power, turns out it's just part of its model number. So it's yeah, I don't actually know what the amperage is. It'll be something high, but probably not 620 like I thought. Yeah, seeing they're fairly easy to get apart. The good thing is that they've all got these on them, so you can just unplug wires instead of cutting them. One thing I actually am going to be doing is saving a lot of these, because they're actually expensive, these spade clips. What I basically do is cut it off, get rid of all of the PVC, and then you can actually solder them straight onto a power cord or whatever it is that you want to put one onto. They're really good way of connecting up cables without just directly soldering them, or if you want to be able to unplug something. So yeah, it's the cap down there, which is another very old one. Probably definitely got PCBs in it. It's got twin fans. That one's definitely must have lower torque than the other one does. This one drives the fan for the convection heater, which is inside here. There's the inputs to the element, and it's just belt driven off of that. So that one I'll definitely be holding on to. That one probably just needs a really good clean up, but it should work again. Anyway, onwards with the Autopsy. Well, there's one of these side panels off. That actually is fiberglass insulation, so I'm not going to touch it too much. Yeah, there's more up here, and also on the other side, I believe. If we lift that up, you can actually see the heating element and the fan inside it, which is what gives the microwave its name, Convection. So next thing will be undoing the rest of the bolts and just probably getting this top off. Now we can pull that apart separately. Well, there's the fan off. It's pretty nasty, as you can see. I think this might just be a blowtorch job. Just burn off all of that fat and crap that's on it. Heating element's a bit rusty, but might actually be able to preserve that and use it as a ballast. This whole thing just bolts down on the top. It's all, like I said, stainless steel. So I pretty much separated the whole lot off, except for this thing, which ain't going to come off. The mag waveguide. It'll just be heating all of that up and degreasing it, getting rid of the nasties. And I might just cut all of this right along here and keep all this box. Might make a nice fireplace out of it or something. I don't know. Yeah, trail of destruction all the way along here. Yeah, it's definitely got some interesting sensors and things on it. But that was bolted onto that corner there. There was this guard that went on. This went on the side of it here. I don't know what it does, but it's got what looks like a little filament on it. Or it might even just be a resistor or something. And there's another one here. That'll probably be temperature sensor or something. Maybe a thermocouple. But they all just go back to the main drive circuit here. And I bloody hope this thing has a vacuum fluorescent display in, because they are awesome. Anyway, big relays, big transformer. There's lots of good parts off this. Of course, they're not from it. Yeah, pretty much conclude this Autopsy for now. It will probably be put up in several parts, I don't know. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching.